Have you been to California, seen the sights and people there?
On the 8th day of Christmas, Jeff Bezos brought to me a thermal leak detector for the RV. Yes, it's a Black & Decker thermal leak detector. Good for summertime or wintertime where you want to see where the temperature is too hot or too cold. I'll show you the advantages of that in a minute, but let's first of all take a look at the old tried and true laser detector, although a lot of you probably have one of these. And it has a pinpoint accuracy, which is good and maybe bad too, in terms of finding a leak. But let's go ahead and take a look at the traditional way first of all, and see if there's some benefits of the Black & Decker or other thermal leak detector. So, okay, we'll start off here. Now it's temperature outside. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it here, but let's go take a look. It's a little chilly out there tonight. 42 degrees it says. Okay. 60 degrees, well, how could that be? If the window is the coldest spot, well, but there's something behind the man behind the curtain. Yeah, I've got Reflectex here. And then if I keep both layers of the curtain down, then I get even a little better effect. So that's probably reflects the ambient temperature in the room here right now. So, okay, let's go ahead and take a look at some other places then. So, right around here, 60. 56, a little cooler here, isn't it? Now, what's up the deal with the Black & Decker or similar thermal leak detector? First, we turn it on, and if we put the dial in the top mode, the switch there, that is in the calibration mode. So we'll have it calibrated for this temperature, which is on the floor right now. That'll be the nominal point. And the next push down is in a temperature that is within 1 degree. I'm going to go within 5 degrees Fahrenheit of what we started at. So it'll be green if it's the same temperature, and if it's out of range. Now see how this does it continuously. And this is saying it's 64.2 for what that's worth, 63.6. But we can just kind of go along and scan quickly and see if there's some temperatures that are outside. It'll change actually color on the wall here. This time I'm going to set for 1 degree Fahrenheit. So let's see if I can, oh, there's some warmer spot right there, isn't it? You see how it got red? Yeah, see, it was warmer there, but now it got green. Not seeing any blue. I thought I was going to have some cold spot. Oh, there we go. See, it's kind of a purplish color. Yeah, look at that. There's the spot. Well, it's kind of right on the cusp, isn't it? There, there's a warm spot too. Gets a reflection. Oh yeah, coming behind here. Oh yeah, it's so back there behind the TV. It is definitely cold. I don't have a lot of Reflectex back there, so this would be an area. Whereas if you can see where I'm pointing my finger is there, and I can feel some cool air is coming through there. So good. We're finding some spots where it's cool. Let's go ahead and open up this drawer. Yeah, definitely it's cold in there. You can see it just by the color. And if we look at the reading, it says it's 51 degrees. So I guess what I'm saying is if you use this thermal leak detector, you can see the color of the light. Oh, there's a cold spot. So it's okay there, but as it gets down here, yeah, there's a cold spot right there. So right by that slider, I'm losing some heat. The floor, not too bad. Oh, there's a spot, cold there. Purple. Cold. Could put some Reflectex or some carpeting on the floor, something like that. Warm over there. That's where the warm air is circulating, so it's showing, yeah, I'm quite toasty here. It's a nice way to be able to see what the temperature is in different spots. Let's go ahead and go outside And we can do the corollary, meaning, is there any hot spots on the outside? Now everything should be pretty bluish purple out here. Are we losing any heat? No, it's all purple. It's not losing any around that window. That's a good sign. The advantage of this is it's always on, and it shows a reading of what it's pointing at. It's a wider angle that it shoots the beam than it would be for a laser, of course, and that probably is a good thing when you're using this. So I think they each have their place. So if you already have a infrared / laser detector and you want to do some spot testing, you click it every time you want a reading. Whereas if you do have something, I think it's about $35 for this model, you can go around and take a look and see where it has some hot and cold spots. Now in the wintertime, you would like it to say where it's the nominal, which would be the green. If you see some spots that are red, that means it's a hotter area, and you can go ahead and do some more readings, see what's going on. And if you get some areas that are kind of a bluish purple, that means those are your cold spots. That's your enemy. Conversely, if you're on the outside, you would want it to be where it would be all whatever the nominal temperature is. And if it goes to a red, that means is that is hotter and some of your warm air is leaking outside. So that would be a possibility. So weather stripping, I'm sure would be a good spot, but you know, somewhere like on this door right here would probably be a good idea to go ahead and put some Reflectix around by the door. And if it gets really cold, I suppose, you know, think about some treatment on your floors so that the cold doesn't get conducted from the floor to the outside. And the inside also. So at any rate, I think that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed the show, and tomorrow will be the 9th day of Christmas, and we'll see what Jeff Bezos brings to me. We just got the solar finished there, so haven't got it completely connected yet, but the wiring is coming right here inside the RV. So maybe we'll have some things there where we connect up the EcoFlow Delta and take a look at our inverter charger. So that's all for now. I hope you enjoyed the show. Take care, and we'll see you again soon. Peace out. Bye for now.
Have you been to California? Seen the sights and people there?